Would you rather fly to any destination or sail to any destination? Imagine the TSA checks on a yacht. Would you rather have a jet with a luxurious interior or a yacht with a private pool? You might need sunscreen either way. Would you rather have a personal onboard chef or a private onboard spa? Eat like a king or relax like a queen? Would you rather have a jet with a private bedroom or a yacht with a grand suite? Nap time has never been so fancy. Would you rather have access to VIP lounges or access to exclusive marinas? Are you a land VIP or a sea VIP? Would you rather have a jet with the fastest speed or a yacht with maximum comfort? Zoom past traffic or float in style? Would you rather host private jet parties or yacht parties with friends? Imagine trying to dance during turbulence. Would you rather have unlimited jet travel or unlimited yacht cruises? Endless skies or endless seas? Tough choice. Would you rather have personalized jet service or customized yacht service? Tailored flights or bespoke sails? Would you rather have a jet with panoramic views or a yacht with 360-degree views? Either way, the view is priceless. Would you rather have direct flights anywhere or dock at hidden beaches? Straight to the point or secret hideaways? Would you rather have a jet with a full bar or a yacht with a full kitchen? Fancy cocktails at 30,000 feet or gourmet meals on the water? Would you rather have a jet for quick getaways or a yacht for long vacations? Weekend escapes or month-long retreats? Would you rather fly over city skylines or sail through tropical waters? Urban jungle or real jungle? Would you rather have a jet with high-tech gadgets or a yacht with water toys? Gadgets in the air or fun in the water? Would you rather have a jet with a celebrity pilot or a yacht with a celebrity captain? Who's your favorite captain, Sully or Jack Sparrow?